Alright guys, so first I'm going to go over number 1 with you. It'll just make it easier for me to videotape this rather than try to redraw this on the board, and since I don't have a dot cam, figured I may as well just videotape it on here. So, alright, first things first, I'm going to take your graph paper and we're going to box this in so we can figure out our dimensions for our front, top, and right side view. So first, we're going to find the highest points. So right here is my highest point, right here. And then we follow this line down, just like that. Then we come over, find our widest point, so we go up from there. So now we've boxed in our front view. Then we'll go back for our depth. We'll go down, and then at this point we'll come over and down, just like that. So now we've boxed in our front, our top, and our right side. And sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. Alright, now let's just focus on this front area. So if we are looking this way at our object, first of all, I'm going to see this face right here. So let's say face 1. And then everything goes straight back from these points that are along this face. So I'm not going to see anything else except for this L shape. But we do have a few areas where it cuts in, so we got to make sure that we put the appropriate hidden lines to indicate those. So let's go ahead and get this height right here and this width. So we're going to count up. So this is 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Now whenever I draw on the graph paper, you want to make sure that you leave enough room for the front and then the top view on top of it. So I'll come down just right here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my side right there. Then we figure out our width. So we count from here to here. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So now on this paper, we go down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can go ahead and box that in. So you should have a 5 by 8 box. Oh, sorry. So 5 by 8 box. Now we're just going to kind of cut away inside this box to get this L-shaped face. So I need to figure out how wide this shape is and how high it is. So I'm going to come over here. It's 2 boxes. So along this top edge, I'm going to come in 1, 2, and I know I go down from there. But we also got to figure out the height. So I come over here on this edge. It's 2. So right here, I come up 2. So then we'll just draw a line until they meet. And we erase that box. Now I have the only face that you will see on the front view. But, like I said before, we have these areas where it cuts in. So we need to figure out where those areas are so we know where to draw hidden lines. Because if I look through this front side, yes, I'm going to see this face, but I also need to know that if I keep going, there's this indentation, cutaway area right here and right here. So we just come over here, we count the height, so this cutout goes down 1 box on this back edge. So I know we're going to come down one box. And it cuts all the way through, so we just draw our line right here. And you can just kind of erase it to give it that dashed look that a hidden line's supposed to look like. Okay. Next is this one. So we need to figure out where this comes at along this L shape. So all you do is you're going to draw this line until it comes to the edge of our face. And then just come straight down. So that'll show you, sorry, they're barking. That'll show you where it shows up on the front. So then we just count 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then draw our hidden line just like that. So you're done with the front.